Today we're going to be talking about Dracaena marangidea, also called dragon tree. I have one right here. If that's what, yep. It's got the cool red thing. Those at the bottom. So basically they come in lots of different forms. It looks like that, or some are very red without any green on it. It's pretty cool. Their light requirements, medium light is preferred, but if that's not an option, then they can survive in darker conditions, just not pitch black because of the plant. Lower light, so yeah, lower light it is, slows the growth rate of the plant. It probably shouldn't be in direct sunlight, so you shouldn't leave it at, like, near a window that's always bright, but it can survive direct sunlight for probably a couple hours at least. So if that's not a problem, like by a window or something, then it's probably not too bad. They don't like temperatures below 65 degrees. They're very similar to the other plants in the Dracaena family, or family class genus. In the genus, very similar to them, because they both don't like direct light, and they also most of them don't like their soil being too moist, which is the next part. Their soil, you should poke your finger in it and like feel an inch to it, or to a half an inch to 2 inches down, and if it's dry, then that means it needs water, but if it's not dry, then it doesn't need water, and it's probably fine to go a little bit longer. Are they poisonous? They are very poisonous. Not very, but enough to like hurt your dog or cat if they chew on them. So if you do get one, and if you already have one, you're watching a video after it, I would just leave it somewhere higher off the ground so they can't get to it. Or if you don't, maybe not consider getting it if that's an option at this point. If you already bought it, then I would just bring it off the ground because it is dangerous if they chew on it. It could be bad, but they're not poisonous to us, so I could eat one of these right now, I guess, if I wanted to. Yeah, that's probably like one of the only things we're gonna go over. Propagation. Actually, browning. Oh wait, forgot. Browning of the outside of the plant means it's overwatering, and browning of the whole leaf in general means it's underwatered. So usually if the tip's getting brown, and that could be both, but like on the edges, if it's starting to get brown and stuff, that means it is underwatered. So like, yeah, yep, that's kind of it. This one that I have right here, the soil is actually pretty good, but it's moist enough, so all good. Big part of the Dracaena family. Lucky bamboo is also part of the family. I have a big one behind me, like huge plant. Dracaena. There's a lot. Money plants are like that. Not pothos, but the other ones that are called money plants. Yeah, there's a lot of plants called that. Part of the Dracaena family, that is very good. Or genus. Part of the genus. It's very good. That's probably it. Any more questions, go down below, and I will answer them, probably, if I'm not busy. Yeah, that's probably it. We're going to go over propagation for these plants in the next video, probably, so go click there after this video, because it'll be made very soon, so by the time you're seeing it, it's probably already made. So that's probably it. Subscribe and like the video.